The therapeutic benefits of an air spa are combined with an invigorating whirlpool massage with American Standard's walk-in tub. Constructed of fiberglass reinforced acrylic for stability and longevity, this tub features a large walk-in door, a low step-over threshold, a built-in chair height seat, grab bar, and textured floor for added comfort and safety. Deep and spacious, this American Standard walk-in bath provides an accessible, safe, and relaxing bathing experience. Take advantage of the whirlpool jets with the legs-only massage feature or the multiple air spa jets with heated blower. The tub can drain in less than 2 minutes using American Standard's patent-pending quick drain water removal system. This optional feature is available for all walk-in tubs. The tub is constructed on a freestanding, sturdy metal support frame, and an optional extension kit allows the tub to fit in any existing space up to 60 inches. Enjoy a comfortable, accessible bathing experience with the walk-in tub from American Standard. For more information on walk-in baths and all the additional components available, log on to our website, www.americanstandard.com.
Presenting the Tub for Two from Ella's Bubbles. This comfortable two-seat tub fits within a standard 60-inch bathtub opening. As with all of Ella's walk-in tubs, this features a low threshold, easy entry, and a textured floor for added safety. This unique tub for two is made with a bright, easy-to-clean acrylic finish. With lots of room for you and your partner to bathe and relax together. The tub for two offers extra length and width for the most enjoyable two-person bathing experience. A two-piece fast-fill faucet fills your tub quickly and comes with an extendable multi-function hand shower. Ella's walk-in tubs are famous for its unique, strategically placed jetting. Easy-touch push-button controls activates a 3-speed air massage with Auto Purge. Auto Purge clears the moisture from your system after bathing to prevent mildew. Hydro Massage comes with an inline water heater and an intensity control dial allowing you to control the power of the jet stream. Eco-friendly ozone sterilization helps keep your tub sanitary. One of the most special aspects of the tub for two is the independent foot massage. No need to fill the entire tub for a relaxing foot massage. There's room for two, or enjoy it all by yourself. There's a secondary pump dedicated just for the hydro foot massage. This tub features large, easy-to-turn drain openers and Ella's best-in-industry dual drain technology. Dual 2-inch drains provides fast, efficient draining for your comfort and your convenience. The door locks and secures with Ella's unique gear and shaft mechanism for a tight, leak-proof seal. Infusion microbubble therapy generates billions of microbubbles that deliver a soothing, skin-softening bathing experience. Microbubble therapy moisturizes, invigorates, and exfoliates. Optional heated seat and backrest adds comfort and convenience and heats up quickly. Light chromotherapy adds a relaxing glow to your bathing experience.
Introducing the Assisto Bathtub, the first bathtub designed around the safety and well-being of its users. The ergonomic design of the Assisto Bathtub is unique in the market. A horizontal bathing experience, never upright, for convenient and safe entries and exits. The vertical zero-gravity door is lightweight and simple to use with its 2 open positions. The bathtub drain opens and closes with a single touch. The high-flow faucet fills the Assisto bathtub in under 3 minutes. The bathtub door is well secured. It remains closed as soon as there's water in the bathtub, and its height conforms to North American accessibility standards. The Assisto bathtub is also equipped with many optional features that offer you a home spa experience. For total comfort, you can activate the heated backrest, air jet massage, and chromotherapy session with easy-to-use touch controls. The patented drain empties the bathtub of all water in under 15 seconds. The Assisto bathtub is also easy to clean and requires very little maintenance. Finally, a bathtub that's designed around the safety and well-being of its users. Rediscover the dignity and pleasure of taking a bath every day. When it comes to your lifestyle requirements, Assisto will exceed all your expectations. Explore our line of Assisto bathtubs today.
Presenting the Ella's 3272 walk-in lay-down tub. This tub is designed with several features for your added comfort and safety. Strategically placed hydrojetting, textured floor for added security, a beautiful tempered glass door with a sleek brushed aluminum door frame, easy step-in, low threshold, large, easy-to-turn drain controls. Choose between a 5-piece fast fill faucet set or a 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Each comes with an extendable multi-function shower head. Easy touch push button control, hydro intensity control dial. This tub comes with an inline water heater and eco-friendly ozone sterilization, which helps keep your tub sanitary. An oversized 2-inch drain provides fast, efficient draining. This tub is designed with straight and narrow sidewalls, which minimizes tripping. Standard tubs have curved walls, which can induce tripping and falling.
Looking to outfit your home for comfort and safety as you age? The Restore ACR walk-in tub, manufactured exclusively by Mansfield, delivers the peace of mind you're looking for with intelligent features and an attractive, easy-to-install design. The Restore has a low threshold that makes entry and exit easy, helping reduce the risk of slips and falls. And the ergonomic door handle is uniquely designed to operate with a light touch, requiring little force to open and close the watertight door. While you're bathing, indulge in a spa-like experience thanks to hydrotherapy controlled by a user-friendly electronic keypad. Soothe muscles and ease tension with jets focused on key pressure points, and recline against a heated sloped backrest designed to cradle your back, neck, and shoulders. The tub seat, elevated to a smart height for safer sitting and rising, is compliant with the specifications of the Americans with Disabilities Act. Restore also has a hygienic seat channel, which makes it easier to wash hard-to-reach areas without lifting your body. Once your bath is complete, the drain can be released without bending, so you can simply step out of the tub effortlessly, feeling refreshed and relaxed. Enjoy the freedom to remain in your home longer with a bath that delivers comfort, serenity, and confidence. The Restore ACR walk-in tub, only from Mansfield.